Hi, we're going to be watching episode 3. Oh my god, the massacre. Power literally obliterated that monster.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。
Just carrying your
普
business.
通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。
Ooh,
パワーちゃん
really?
はもうちょっと考えて行動しないといけないね。パワーちゃんは魔人になる前は血の悪魔だったか
Power
ら。
was the blood
血を
devil.
使った戦いが得意なの。
Okay, that makes so much more
興奮し
sense.
ちゃうし。こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。
What a liar.
マキマさ
Oh
ん
man.
この悪魔嘘つきですぜ逮捕だ逮捕嘘なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえが証拠だバカ嘘クソ野郎がよ
人間は
I think they're gonna have a wonderful partnership.
ジュース飲めるなんてよ俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぜ
Dream come true for me. Understandable.
わしが仲良くできるのは猫だけじゃん。
Enjoy the company of
人
cats.
間は嫌いじゃん。人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。
I wonder.
そして悪魔も
Interesting.
嫌いじゃん。悪魔が。
Oh, she hates both humans and devils.
わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。
Oh, I see.
猫ごときにと。
Okay.
運には分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
エコ食ったらねえな俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけどよでも犬だったらまだわかるかもな
This is funny. This is funny. A cat person versus a dog person.
悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
悪魔がよ猫をよさらうなんてよ
ああ。
んなことは許せねえよなデビルハンターとして許せね
He really wants to fondle some breasts that badly?
魔人パワーの外出を許可します。17時までには戻ってくるように。
え一人じゃ外出もできねえのか
Interesting.
ずっとここの中で退屈しとった。
Time in here. Oh. So you have to like check her out
わしの姿を見られたらニャーコを盾に
as
さ
a
れちゃうから
shield.
ね。そうなったら罪じゃ。
He's not focused on anything else.
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ
Pochita.
もう撫でることはできねえんだけどいいんだ俺のここで生きてるからな
死んだ命は無じゃ。心の中にいるだのなんだのは浅ましい慰めじゃ。
He does not care.
マキマ君、君にあげた部隊の犬は育った。
Hunting dogs.
期待に応えられそうなのが1匹、面白いのが1匹。
面白い。
最近拾った子犬です。
A pup that I just read.
君の仕事は犬を育て、使うことだ。
Put them to work.
くれぐれも情は入れてくれるなよ。
Well, she definitely seems very interested in Denji. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。
Oh, so that's how it works.
怖いイメージは全くないからコーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね。でも
Coffee devil.
車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう。
Car
タイヤに引かれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも。
So, can a devil be anything?
この悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
面白いだけで使えないやつですよ。
てめえが姿見せたら猫を人質にされんだろこんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
設定
言い間違いじゃ。
You misspoke. What's happening?
バカじゃが勘は良かったな。
What?
随分と私を待たせたな、血の悪魔よ。逃げたのかと
No
思った。
way.
文句を言うな。わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
Bat.
久しぶりの食事。
Power. How could you?
人間に刻まれた傷、人間の血で癒させてもらう。
Why not find your own? Oh my god.
まずい。まずい血で復活してしまったではないか。
Is it because he's half devil?
口の中が気持ち悪い。他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
Cleanse my palate.
よくわしの話を信用できたもんじゃな。やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
I thought she was gonna be a good character.
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返してもらう。
Oh, so there is actually a cat.
ああ、そういう話だったか。
ニャーコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
ニャーコ。ニャーコ。ウヌの名はニャーコじゃ。猫にしてはうまそうな匂いじゃな。
Oh.
早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが
Oh my god.
目があったやつはすべて殺してたからな。
Met my eyes.
悲鳴じゃない声を聞くのは不思議な感じじゃな。
Screaming. Oh man.
不思議な。
Excuse me?
血の悪魔よ。血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
Oh, that's messed up. How long ago was that?
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。ウヌの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
What?
子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Was she just
うがいをし
devoured?
た後は前菜に生
A
娘
virgin
だ
should
な。
make
メインが肉好きのいいよ。
beefy man. Oh,
デ
what
ザ
the
ートは
heck?
妊婦がいい。
Okay, this devil's really messed up.
俺の胸返す。
Jesus. Get wrecked. I mean, at least he's motivated. Oh, man. The animation's so cool. Saving humans. The chainsaws retract? That's awesome.
助けたって野郎の命なんだ死ぬぜ
Oh, does he only care about saving women? Oh. That's disgusting. Oh.
なぜ生きてる？
How are you still alive?
散々な目ばっかあってよ。
Oh my god, his fingers.
してねえのに
I've been as patient as possible.
人の身も
How come I have What the heck? He's so cool. Oh, he's getting wrecked. Ew. Oh. Oh my god, what? If every fight scene is gonna be like that and like the very first episode, this show is gonna be on next level. That was awesome. That was so cool to see. Just seeing the fluidity of the animation and the blending of the CGI and the 2D. It's really good. It's a really well done anime. And you know, like I said in like the very first episode, it's MAPPA Studios. They do a really good job, and this is just another example of why they're one of the best animation studios out there. And but wow, Power betrayed Denji. I mean, it's not surprising. The very first few minutes of the episode, we established that she's kind of a big old liar. You know, she lies a lot. And so I should have guessed that what she was telling him wasn't actually the full truth, which it kind of was the truth because her cat Meowy was taken by the Bat Devil, so that part of it was the truth. But what she failed to tell Denji is that she was going to use him as a sacrifice to that. Is Power okay? And more importantly, is the cat okay? Because they were swallowed. Are they dead? Or are they alive? And why does Denji care so much about breasts? Most anime protagonists, they want to like protect their friends or show people that they were wrong about them, or you know, be the best person that they can be. But not Denji. Denji just wants to have a girlfriend, wants to get laid, and he just wants to feel something. So such an interesting motivation factor. But okay, crazy episode. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like if you liked. Please dislike if you dislike, and tell me what I can do better. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every single time I make a video. And I wish each and every single one of you a wonderful day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever you prefer. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!